You see the spaghetti in your hair? Let me see. Look at me. Hi, cheese. Yes. Spaghetti. Look, this is your tray. Spaghetti, spaghetti, spaghetti. All over. Hi. Hi, Caitlin. Say hi. Cheese.
Hi.
What did your sister do?
Messed up.
She messed up? Bye.
Bye.
Do you make that face every time you see the camera? Chloe, cheese. You're a mess. You need to be cleaned up. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. I missed it. Can you do it again? Say bye. Bye, Chloe.